Welcome to the Customer Journey Game, Business Edition, an experiential learning solution that brings customer experience training to life. The Business Edition is the original version of our highly successful Customer Journey game series, designed to help employees truly understand the difference between customer service and customer experience. On a beautifully designed board, the game takes players through a simulated customer journey, creating a deeper understanding of the many touch points that customers encounter along the way, and how each interaction influences buyer behavior either positively or negatively.
What happened?
This unique experiential learning game is not only interactive and fun, it immerses players in the unique position of walking in the shoes of a customer, providing them with a very different perspective moving forward. At its core, the game inspires employees to reflect on their role in the customer journey and discover how they can actively contribute to creating a seamless, memorable experience in the future. Over and above the learning experiences, the game encourages employee engagement, drives employees' motivation, and provides a whole lot of fun. No matter your industry, whether it's retail sales, banking, financial services, or B2B sales, this game is relevant for staff at all levels and in all departments. The Customer Journey game was developed on the same methodology as the well-known game of Monopoly, so the way it works will be familiar to most people. However, the difference is that in Monopoly, you either win money or lose money. But in the Customer Journey game, you win customers or lose customers based on your actions. So the object of the game is to win as many happy customers as possible, and the player with the most happy customer coins at the end of the game wins, just like in business. So now that you know why we play the Customer Journey game and how we play it, why don't you join the experiential learning revolution? Let's drive employee engagement in building a customer-centric culture. Let's get interactive with this uniquely immersive training solution. Let's play the Customer Journey game.